Why are there not more people talking about emergency funds? Because they're a lifesaver no one sees coming. Life happens. But don't let unexpected expenses catch you off guard. Enter the emergency fund. So what is an emergency fund? It's your financial superhero swooping in to save the day when unexpected costs strike. Think car breakdowns, surprise medical bills, or even that time you accidentally turned your phone into a submarine. How much should you save? Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Sounds like a lot? Start small. Even stashing away the cost of one fancy coffee a week can add up. Ready to save for a rainy day? Set up a separate savings account and automate those deposits. Out of sight, out of mind, and into your emergency fund. Remember, future you will thank present you for being prepared. So, hit that follow button and subscribe for more tips on winning at adulting. Let's get saving, folks.